Last week, we built the content business. Path 1. Good money, but it's a job. You stop, it stops. Today, Path 2. The niche site. The slow one. The one that becomes an asset that earns attention while you sleep. By the end of this video, you'll have the 5-step playbook and the 4 tools I'd run it with. All lifetime deals, bought once. And step 5 is a traffic source most site builders haven't even noticed yet. Stay for that. Ground rules. Every tool here has a full written review on predrop.ai. The links below are affiliate links. They cost you nothing, and they're why this course is free. No income promises, ever. And one more honest thing, because nobody else will say it. SEO is slow. Months, not weeks. If you need rent money in 30 days, watch last week's episode instead. This one is for building something you keep. Step 1. The niche. And the rule is simple, small enough to dominate. Fitness is not a niche. It's a battlefield with a million losers. You want narrow, specific, and quietly commercial. Standing desks for tall people. Software for wedding photographers. Check 2 things. Are people actually searching? And are the sites ranking today mediocre? If the current page 1 is thin listicles and old forum threads, that's a door. Bonus points if you genuinely know the field. Expertise reads on the page, and Google keeps rewarding it. Step 2. The site and the audit habit that keeps it alive. Keep the site itself boring, fast, clean, whatever you ship quickest. Then let Screepy nag you. It scans the site and hands you a prioritized fix list in plain English, plus page speed, uptime, and keyword rank monitoring. The big suites charge about $99 a month for that babysitting. This is $55 once, unlimited websites. If you're building along, the reviewed version is linked below. Using those links is what keeps this course coming. Step 3. The content engine. Content wins on intent, not volume. Build one pillar guide, the best page on the internet for your niche's main question. Then cluster articles answering every adjacent question, all linking back to it. Draft with AI. Then do the human pass. Real facts, real opinions, real experience. That pass is why you outrank the spam farms. Google's crackdown on scaled junk content is very real. And for you, it's a moat. Sheet Magic turns Google Sheets into your ops desk. AI text as cell formulas. But the sleeper feature is scraping. Pulls search results pages straight into a sheet. And that's your keyword research and competitor teardown. Automated. Then batch write outlines and meta descriptions in one run. It's bring your own key with zero markup, $69 once, and your whole editorial calendar lives in a spreadsheet that works for you. Step 4. Authority, the part everyone wants to skip. Backlinks still decide the close calls, and there's no honest shortcut. There's just being link-worthy on purpose. Publish the statistic or the free tool other writers need to cite. Guest post where your niche actually reads. Offer a badge to vendors you've genuinely reviewed. Slow is fine. This is the compounding part. Fake is fatal. Bought links from spam farms can bury a site you spent months building. Backlink scan watches the part you can't see. Daily crawls of your link profile with AI quality and toxicity scoring, alerts when links appear or die, and auto-generated disavow files when something nasty latches on. It ties into Search Console, so you can see which links moved which keywords. That's SEMrush's chore, lifetime priced $99 once. Step 5. The one I promised you. AI answers. Here's the shift most site builders are sleeping on. Page 1 is becoming an answer, not a list. When ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Gemini answer your niche's question, they name names, and being the named source is the new ranking. The playbook, clear structure, direct answers high on the page, and real data worth quoting. It's the same expertise work you're already doing. The judge just reads faster now. And AI mentions is the scoreboard. It runs your niche's prompts across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, 300+ models every single day, scores your visibility, and emails you when you show up, drop out, or a competitor takes your slot. Watching a rival hold the answer you deserve turns out to be excellent motivation. $59 once. Path 2. Built. Pick a winnable niche, keep the site healthy, run the content engine, earn authority slowly, and get cited by the machines. It compounds while you sleep. That is the entire point of an asset. Every tool is linked below with our written reviews. Buying through them costs you nothing and keeps this course free. New deals land on predrop.ai every Tuesday and Thursday. Next week, Path 3, the local lead gen agency. The fastest cash of the 4 paths. Subscribe and go pick your niche.